Ruhonge rwa wendia wa macani rukoretwo rukigumirwo ni mathina maingi na ino ni sekta na iria thirikari ikirire makiria hari kumirunga niguo o murimi agakorwo ni arakenerera thigino yake. Mihango na iria iratongorio ni munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua. Arugamiriri a ruhonge rwa KTDA kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ni maikite ritana kuri thirikari kung'ethanira na arugamiriri a tene ya ruhonge ruru kumana na wici wa mbeca uria makorirwo magitabania.
They're okay with IEBC, but the only problem we're having is the former directors who are named in the multi-agency report. It looks like they have joined together to try and come back. So we're asking the government to take action on the multi-agency report. Yes.
Arugamiria ya eru maugite gutiri hindi turia nime tungicoka o ririme tungumanitie gutigirira ruhonge ruru ni rwagira na arimi mambiriria gukenerera urimi uyu. Makiuga mwaka uyu magetha ma macani ni matanyitwo kuongerereka ona makiria.
A good process from when we started as directors. We came under reforms and we have been able to transform our factory. Now people are earning a good money. And still, we are expecting this year for them to get a lot of money. We are expecting that actually even the production of Dima has been very high this year. And previously we were being told that when the tea is, the yield is a lot, then actually money decreases. This time we have seen it go the other way loud because this is the time they have produced much and now they are going to get a lot of money. We are hoping that actually farmers understand all this and that they have seen through their pay slips what we are giving them.
Mwena-ini wa warimi a macani ni makenereire githurano kiria gigukorwo gigitabanio, makiuga arugamiriri a mwena uyu wa Kirinyaga ni marutite wira mwega kuona ona bonathi ni yongererekete, makiuga ni wega arugamiriri aya makinyire oro hau.
Kwamba director wako huku saa hii wanatufanyia kazi mzuri sana. Kwa sababu ya nani? Ya nini? Majani ya mwezi imeongezeka, mwezi inakuja ilikuwa 21 sasa 26. Na bonus inaongezeka kila mwaka, bonus inaongezeka. Hata saa hii hata mwaka huu tunatarajia bonus itakuja mzuri kuliko mwaka uliopita.
Haduini Hakeo TV Jitagwa Irimu wa Wajiru.